Hello, in front of me I have Lenovo WD06 Smartband, and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this device. First, we need to wake up the screen on our band. To do it, simply tap on the screen. Once you wake up the screen, swipe down from the top of the screen to scroll through the menu until you find the function option, then tap on it to enter. Here you should see the dial icon, the one with the clock on it. Tap on it, and now you should see the watch face menu, and we can scroll through this menu by swiping up or down on the screen. Find the watch face you like and tap on it to apply it. As you can see, we have only 2 watch faces on this device. So let's select the second one by tapping on it, and as you can see, the watch face changed. And that's how you change the watch faces on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.